Hey everyone, and welcome to our next lesson where we're going to talk about logarithms. So logarithms are just a different way of writing exponential equations when we're trying to solve for an exponent. So let's say, for example, we have that 4 squared equals 16. So here the base is 4, the exponent is 2, and the answer is 16. This is exponential form. To rewrite this in logarithmic form, we take log base 4 to the 16 equals 2. So to rewrite this in general form, let's say the base is represented by b, the exponent is represented by x, and the answer is represented by a. The general form for a logarithmic equation would be log base b of a equals x. So if they ask you to solve this equation, log base 2 of 4 equals x, we're going to rewrite this in exponential form first. So remember, log base b of a equals x is equivalent to b to the power of x equals a. In this scenario, b is 2, a is 4, and x is the variable I'm solving for. So we'll rewrite it in this form. 2 to the power of x equals 4. So now ask yourself, 2 to what power equals 4? Well, since 4 is equal to 2 squared, then x is equal to 2. Another example, log base 3 of 27 equals x. That means my base is equal to 3, my answer equals 27, and I'm trying to find the exponent. Rewrite this in terms of exponents. B to the x equals a. So 3 to what power equals 27? 27 is equal to 3 cubed. So in this example, x is equal to 3. Okay, one more example. Log base 5 of 625 equals x. The base is 5, and the answer is 625. So 5 to what power equals 625? (625) is equal to 5 to the 4th power, so x equals 4. Now, when we're graphing exponential and logarithmic functions, the graphs will be inverses. This means you switch the x and y coordinates. So let's see the points that we have on our original logarithmic function. I have a point at 1, 0, 4, 2, 8, 3, and 16, 4. This can help you graph the exponential function And you may remember from geometry that when you switch the coordinates, that it reflects over the line y equals x. So instead of plotting 1, 0, I want to plot 0, 1. Instead of 4, 2, I plot a point at 2, 4. 3, 8. And 4, 16. So as you can see, I just took the logarithmic graph, flipped it over y equals x, and that is the exponential graph. If we're given a table of x, y values. For the inverse, they're all just going to switch. So my x and y, I have a point at 0, 0. I will once again have a point at 0, 0. Switching them doesn't change anything. Here my point is 1, 0.0144. My x and y will switch. So now my x becomes 0.0144 and my y becomes 1. So it's just as simple as switching the x and y values. So make sure you remember this when you're doing your Khan Academy assignment. If we're asked to rewrite exponential equations in logarithmic form, remember b to the x equals a. So here the base is 4, the exponent is 3, and the answer is 64. This needs to be written in the form log base b of a equals x. In this case, my base is 4, my answer is 64, and my exponent is 3. So let's look at this one. The answer is 16, the base is 2, and the exponent is 4. So rewritten in logarithmic form, log base 2 of 16 equals 4. We're asked to work backwards and write the logarithmic function in. So here we're given the logarithmic equation and asked to write it in exponential form. Still identify your base, which in this case is 2. The answer is 32, and your exponent is 5. b to the power of x equals a, so in this situation, 2 to the 5th power equals 32. Here, the base has changed to 5, the answer is 125, and the exponent is 3, which will be rewritten as 5 to the 3rd power equals 125. I'm going to show you how to type this answer in on Khan Academy. We have 1/6 equals 6 to the negative 1st power. When you click on the box to type your answer, you're going to see log base b. You want to press this button. Now first you'll type the subscript, which is your base. In this case, it is 6. Inside the parentheses, you want to put your answer, and you can press the fraction button, 1/6, and set that equal to the answer, which is your exponent, and that's -1. So yeah, you're using log b when you're writing it in logarithmic form. Going the other way, 9 is the base to the power, so type your caret, and then if you're going to type a fractional exponent, you have to press this button, -1/2, and that equals your answer, which is 1/3. So If you need help, remember that I have office hours and you can email me or send me a remind message. I'm not getting a big response from you guys, and I need to know that you're working and trying your best. So please keep in touch and let me know what's going on.